Hey everyone, Andre here from Slick Auto. So we have a little Forester in the shop, and I want to kind of talk a little bit about this project we'll be working on over the next couple of days. Not a bad little car, it's probably about 10 years old or so, but the unique thing about this car is it probably has never been waxed. So I'm going to show you a little bit more what we mean. We had to heavily compound this vehicle. I'll see if I can get close so you can kind of hear the difference. This section is clayed, and this section is not clay barred. So I don't know if you can hear that. Hopefully you can. Just goes to show the amount of contamination that was on this vehicle. So now we've clay barred the whole vehicle, except we're going to take those roof racks off and redo that section. But a lot of the telltale signs that this vehicle didn't have a wax was there's a lot of permanent paint marks. You can see here what looks like fingerprint marks. That's exactly what it is. It's kind of etched in. Here we have some bird poop. That's looks like it permanently damaged the paint. Again, some fingerprint marks. Lots of little scratches. The paint's a little faded. The rear trim, we're going to try to clean that up. It's really faded. Again, on this side, if we have a look around, you can kind of see there's fingerprint marks all over the vehicle that are kind of etched into the paint. So we're going to clean it up, polish it, kind of give it a new lease on life, fix up those headlights, make it look new again. This is a little section we've actually polished. You can see how nice and clear that looks. Here, not so much, a little bit more faded. So we definitely have our work cut out for us. Nice little project. Not a crazy amount of polishing. We just want to bring back some gloss, be able to put some protection on it, and we don't want to just slap some wax before addressing some of those little issues around the vehicle. But we'll keep you posted. We'll do a follow-up video, and you guys have any questions, give us a shout. Cheers, guys.